In this video, I'm going to show you how I collected 100 plus email leads by growing a Facebook page of 1153 followers, promoting ClickBank offer with free traffic. So if you are first time here, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion for step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorials and convert your affiliate offers. So let's dive in. So right now you're seeing I have 107 emails collected here. It's a free emails which I'm collecting. As you know that if you're a marketer, online marketer, emails is your asset. So I'm collecting this email free without paying any Facebook ad by growing a Facebook page. So this is a page based on a particular niche which is growing organically, and right now I have 1243 followers, right, which is growing, right? Last time while recording it was having 1155 followers. So it's growing, and also you can see it is having an awesome engagement in his post, right? 46 sharing and a lot of likes. So from this I am collecting a leads. So here in this video guys, I'm going to share you 5 important steps to collect the leads, right? You have to do step by step. So the number one thing is guys, select a product. It's really important that you should have a product of a particular niche. So make sure you're selecting a particular niche and then selecting the product from that niche. You can see this is the woodworking. You can go woodworking, you can type here woodworking, and you can see select by gravity, and you can see all the top selling products are here, as well as you can go to any other niche like manifestation. If you type manifestation, right, and you can select like gravity, and you can see all those products, right, which is selling well. It will come up right in front of you. So you have to select one product of a one particular niche. That can be any niche, right? Like weight loss, you can see in weight loss Cinderella solution is doing very well with a lot of good gravity here. So you have to select one niche, one product. Now the second step is to create a Facebook page based on a particular niche. Like this page is based on woodworking, so I have kept this page for promoting the Ted's woodworking. That is one of the product which I have showed you from ClickBank. Okay, so it's very important that you are targeting this page or creating a page for particular niche. So here we are going create, and you can see page, add, group, events. So click here page, and once if you click here, you can see, right, you can start making your page, right? So here is one of the key thing you have to keep in your mind is, right, you have to name your page based on that particular niche. Like if you're promoting a product from law of attraction or manifestation, you can give something related to manifestation, right, like one manifestation 101, something like that, and add the category and continue here. I'm not going into of it because it's a very simple process. And to create this kinds of, right, logo and this kinds of, right, page cover, you have to get into Canva. Canva is a free platform. The link of this software is given in the description. From here you can access this. This is completely free. You can create any kinds of, right, images of using this software. Now the third step is to create the post. That means you need this kinds of images which can bring a engagement in your page. For that guys, it's important that you should have a Instagram account, because in Instagram there are two things. One, you will get images. Second thing is you will get images which is having a lot of good likes and engagement, and this is what we want, right? You can see this Instagram page. I open this thing in my desktop, and right now you can see this while typing here woodworking hashtag. You can get into this kinds of hashtag, and you can see there are a lot of images. You can see this image have 4,184 likes. Instagram known for engagement. That means if it is getting engagement here, there is a chance that it can bring a lot of engagement in your page also. So what you have to do is like get here, and then what you have to do, you have to select some of the post which is having a lot of good engagement. Okay, and then download these images by using repost for Instagram, Regrand, which you can download in your Android phone. There are so many different ones. You can download any of those things. Once if you download this app, you can download all these images. Okay, you can download any of these images which is having a lot of good engagement, and make sure if you're downloading somebody's personal, right, images, then make sure you are mentioning in your post, right, from where you download that, right? Mention the account ID of that Instagram. So this is not somebody's personal, right? There is no name or nothing in this post, which I got from Instagram only, right? So you don't need to mention that thing. Like this post, you can see, right, this is amazing post which is having a lot of good likes. You can download here by using Ringram, and everything I am doing in my phone only. I'm posting from my phone only, right, so that it become very easy for me to post it here. So now the fourth step is, guys, to promoting your page. To promote your page, guys, the step number 4 is to join the relevant Facebook groups. It's very important that you should promote your page to the relevant group only. So type it here, word working, or if your page is manifestation, you can type manifestation and select here groups, and you can see all those groups are in front of you. So now what you have to do is you have to select the 5 to 10. Keep this thing in mind, guys. You have to select 5 to 10, right, relevant group which should have an engagement. Guys, the key thing is engagement. Okay, so for that, guys, do not get into public groups. Most of the public groups of any niches doesn't have any engagement. So you have to select the private groups. Okay, once if you click here private, right now you're seeing all these private groups. So what does it mean by engagement in the group? So this is one of the group, right? You can see my woodworking projects. It's a private group. So you can see this, somebody has posted their work, and once they post their images, they are already getting this engagement. So if they are getting the engagements, there is a chance, guys, whenever you post from your Facebook group, you are also going to get the engagement in your work. Okay, that's what we want, right? That is what you want. In most of the private group, you will see a lot of good engagement. You need a relevant engaging group, right? You can see this is another woodworking tips, right? You can see these groups, right, which I have not joined. This is one of the group. Okay, and you can see new posts today is almost 247 in the last 30 days. That means people are posting in this group, and there are a lot of good members, right? In last 30 days it is having 9,000 members. Okay, new. Okay, so this kinds of group you needed. Make sure, guys, you have to promote your page post, right? You have to promote the post here. You do not going to promote a link or any kinds of links, guys, like any affiliate links or anything related to your page. You just going to share the post to these kinds of groups. Okay, so for that, guys, make sure you are joining these groups from this a lot of groups, right? Only 5 to 10 relevant engaging groups, and then just sharing the post, like share in a groups. Once if you click this, you can see it is asking you post into the group. So type like wood. Right now you can see this. I am a part of 4 different groups. There are so many different groups. You have to join only 5 to 10, and then once if you select this, right, this post, right, will be shared on that groups. Okay, so what is happening here is, guys, you're bringing the traffic from this kinds of groups, which is having a lot of relevant people who are looking for this kinds of right, post, and bringing those engaging traffic to your page. This is what you have to do. You have to bring the traffic here. You have to become a good member of this private groups, okay, by promoting and sharing these kinds of images. So right now you're sharing these images from your page, okay, which that's how you bring a lot of traffic, and that's how you will start collecting the leads. This is what you have to need. So keep this thing in mind, guys. Join 5 or 10 groups only, which is relevant groups having good engagements, and then become a good member of that group by posting, right, a good images which can bring values to these groups by sharing, first posting those images here in your group page, and then sharing to these kinds of groups. Okay, do not post any link. So before we jump into the 5th step, guys, one of the key thing is always post one post in your page. This is really important. Every day on the same time, post for your followers. One post, one awesome post, right, which are collected from Instagram. Okay, follow all the rules, like, right, giving the credit to the post holder. Okay, and make sure you're posting every day one post here, and the moment you post, share it to this groups. Okay, and make sure you're not posting every day on a same group. For example, guys, you can post Monday here in this group. If you're a part of, once if you join this group, you can post here one day, and then another day to this group, then another day to this group, like that. That's why I told you you need a 5 to 10 groups which is having a lot of good engagement. But you have to post in your page every day basis. If you post every day, each post, if you share to these all groups, there will be a chances that the group member or the admin will remove you. Okay, so make sure you are giving at least 2 days gap of each groups. That will a awesome strategy to use, but make sure you're posting in your page everyday basis. And now, once if you see the engagement like this in your post, or you have this much of followers, this is the key things. Once if you have engagement only, here comes the fifth step and the last major step, that is creating your pin post. Now this is the place where you start collecting the leads of page audience by providing values to them. So if you click on these links, right, you can see this is my landing page, right? And if they want to get this 50 woodworking plans and a 440 page guidebook absolutely free, they have to put their emails, right, and the name and emails, and these emails and name will be collected over here, right? This is how I am collecting the leads. It's just very simple, guys. So I have given in my pin post giving away, and make sure, guys, you're not trying to promote any offer here, right? Try to give away the something as a lead magnet. Okay, and you will get this lead magnet if you get into the offer page. This is like Ted's Woodworking. This is the offer of ClickBank which I'm promoting. If you scroll down, you can see here they are offering 50 free plans landing page, right, and say giveaway. If you open this link, it will land it to this. Okay, this is what they are giving away. So I created my own landing page similar to this landing page. Okay, and whenever they will put the emails here, they will get a emails from my email autoresponder about that free ebook, and I will capture their emails here. Okay, this is how I'm connecting this, right, entire email list. So it is very easy to create, right? Every offer, whatever the offer you're selecting, right? It's a woodworking offer. You can select any offer from ClickBank. Make sure they're giving away something so that you can offer to the followers of your page. Okay, do not try to give any direct offer. Do not send them to the direct offer. Give them, provide values. It's just very simple. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create these kinds of landing pages, right? It's with a free software which is completely free for 30 days and which is really important for you to collect these kinds of leads too. So in my next video, you will see all those things I'm going to show you, right? So that you can build a landing page and you can collect the emails. So if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you have to subscribe it right away so that you can watch that video. It is just simple, guys. Just creating a Facebook page, providing values, right, and promoting your page, providing values and bringing the traffic here. You can see this 1253 followers, right, and making a landing page or capture page where I'm capturing the emails. The email will be coming here in the autoresponder. That's it, right? And right now, guys, I can promote any ClickBank offer to these emails. Okay, I don't need to set up any, right, Facebook ad. If you type woodworking in the ClickBank, right, marketplace, you can see there are so many different offer. Okay, just free leads, and I can promote any of these offers right away. That's the power of collecting the emails, and especially just growing a Facebook page. You can make this Facebook page even if you're doing any ads like Facebook ad or Google ads, right? Or you are building a affiliate website, you can do these things. Because if you're running a Facebook ad, you have to invest somewhere between $30 to $50, sometimes beyond. It's depend upon, right, the niches also. So it's just very easy. If you have any doubts related to this, right, strategy, comment me down here, and do subscribe my channel so that, right, you can convert your affiliate offer. Hope you like it. Give the thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment me down.